Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to categorize your transactions in Lendingclub so that you can stay on top of your spending habits and build smarter budgets. Let's get into it. First step is to open the Lendingclub app or go to Lendingclub's website. Log into your account using your username and password, and then once you're landed on your dashboard, just tap on your checking or savings account. Next step is to access the transaction history. Go to activity or transactions. You're going to see all of your recent spendings, deposits, and transfers. Next is to select a transaction. Tap on any purchase or payment. You're going to find an option to assign or edit a category. Next is to choose a category. Lendingclub provides built-in categories like groceries, dining and restaurants, utilities, transportation, shopping, entertainment, and travel. You can pick the one that matches the transactions best. Next step is to adjust or recategorize anytime. Now, if you make a mistake, you can just open the transactions and switch to the correct category. Final step is to use categories for budgeting. Over time, Lendingclub's financial dashboard groups spendings by categories. This helps you to see where most of your money goes and where you can cut back on. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.